In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create a fun song from scratch using some amazing online tools. We'll blend creativity, technology, and a bit of summer nostalgia to come up with a delightful tune about friendship and summer vacations. So let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head on over to the Copilot website. This is where the magic begins, as Copilot is an incredible AI tool that can help you write song lyrics with minimal effort. Once you're there, you'll notice a chat box. Here's where you want to type in a fun prompt. For today's example, we'll go with something like, write fun song lyrics about friendship and summer vacation. Make it 2 verses and 1 chorus. Once you've crafted your prompt, go ahead and press enter. Now, let Copilot work its magic. In just a few moments, it will generate a set of lyrics for you. Carefully read through what it's come up with, and when you're happy with what you see, highlight those lyrics and give them a good copy, making sure they're ready to paste somewhere else. With those wonderful lyrics in hand, it's time to bring them to life with music. Open a new tab in your browser and head over to Suno. If you haven't already, take a moment to sign up for a free account. Using your Microsoft or Google login can make this process quick and simple. Once you're all signed up and logged in, you'll find yourself on the Suno dashboard. This is your gateway to creating custom music. Click on the Create option, then select Custom Mode from the menu. Now, it's time to paste the lyrics you've copied from Copilot into the text box provided. The next step in our musical journey is choosing the style or genre for your song. Imagine the vibe you want to convey. Maybe it's pop for something upbeat and cheerful, or perhaps acoustic for a more mellow, nostalgic feel. Select the genre that speaks to you. Once your lyrics and style are all set, click on Create Song. Be patient, as it might take a minute or two for the system to do its thing. Soon, Suno will present you with 2 versions of your song. Give both of them a listen by clicking Play. Finally, if you're pleased with one and want to save it, click Download to bring the song to your computer. Just remember, if you're using a free account, there might be a limit to how many creations you can save each day, so choose wisely. And there you have it. You've created a unique song about friendship and summer vacations, all with the help of Copilot and Suno. Enjoy your new piece of art, and may it bring back sweet memories of summer days.